Today let me introduce our QS50 model jelly candy starch Mogul line for you. This is a basic capacity starch Mogul machine. Normally we use it for R&D to test new formula. First, we need to place with shaped starch powder tray on the track and transfer it under the depositor. Second, we can deposit cooked syrup into the powder mold. Later we can transfer the tray to the drying room. After the candy be dried, we can use the de-starching machine to remove the starch powder on the candy surface. Last, we can pack it with bag or bottle, then you will get the final product. If you have planned to start this new project in future, please feel free to call me.